So we are going to be adding some additional subtotals to this. So we're going to highlight A4 all the way down through L32, and we're going to go into subtotal. And in addition to seeing the sum, they would also like a count. Now it's very important that you remove the check next to replace, because we don't want to replace the total. Okay, we just want to count the number of fees that they produced within this period of time. Okay, so we're going to do the count and we're going to click OK. And that adds another subtotal. So Martinez generated 10 fees for a total of 7,450, whereas O'Donovan only generated 4, okay, for a total of 3,885. Okay, so that does give us some additional information that's pretty good. And they would like us to go back in because now they want to know the average for the fees, and they also want to know the average billable hours. So let's go back into subtotal. And now we are working with average. Fees is fine. We're also going to check billable hours because they want both. Okay, and make sure the check is not in replace, and then click OK. So now we have billable hours and fees. We've got the count, and then we've got the total for the fees. And then if you come down here, we also have for everybody what the average of the billable hours is, the average of the fees. We've got a total count for how many entries everybody has, and then a grand total for the amount of fees generated. Okay, so I'm going to click in here, and you can see as we add these subtotaling levels, how crazy it gets over here on the outline side. But it still kind of works the same as it did before. So if we click on 1, we're just seeing those grand totals. If we click on 2, we are seeing the total for the fees, okay, broken down by attorney. We click on 3, we get the count and the total. 4, we get the average count in total. And remember, clicking on the plus signs displays the detail records. And if we click on 5, we get to see everything. Now, they would like us to make sure this is going to print on one sheet. So let's go into page layout. And we do have the width specified as 1 page. So this should print on one sheet, and we're going to save our changes. There's no need to actually print it though.